Hey guys, let's talk about this Tapo security camera installation. This is an outdoor camera. It's a Wi-Fi camera with 2K resolution. Here's the model, Tapo C320WS. It comes here with everything that you need. Here's the camera. It comes with the mount, screws and anchors for the installation. Also here you see a power supply, template, and the accessories to protect the cable, right? Super simple. Let me just bring the camera here and explain how it works. Basically, here you have the camera. You're gonna install on a wall. Here are the holes that you're gonna use, and you're gonna just run the cable like this, okay? You're gonna install that way, and just adjust the camera here and tighten the screw so you have the camera in place. Here are the antennas. Just remember to put the antennas in this position so the antenna can communicate with your router, or you can connect a cable, an Ethernet cable just right here, or just use with the Wi-Fi and connect the power supply to power the camera. So super simple. Let me just remove this part here so you see that I'm going to install. Then I just remove this one to make it easier for the installation, because you need to mark the location. See here that I can just put that way. Just remember that you need to keep the cable while installing, right? Just put it here. Mark the location. You can use the template as well, but I prefer to do in a different way. I just mark the location here with a pencil. Let me just grab one here. Super simple. Just come here, mark the location. Then you remove it, and you can drill the holes for the installation. There we go, drilling the holes. Of course, if you're installing on a concrete wall, you just need to use the anchors and the screws. It's not my case here. So just remember to keep the cable here in the correct position. And then you're gonna install your mount. There we go. Now you just pull the cable and put everything in place. Tighten it up and just adjust the angle the way you want, okay? Make sure that you have the camera in the correct position, tighten it up, adjust the antennas, and you're good to go, okay? Now you just need to connect the cables. If you're going to use the Ethernet cables, just be aware of the size of the connector. There are some differences here. You see this one, for example. I have a big one and a smaller one. It doesn't work with this one, okay? So you see here that I need to pass the cable through this connector, and it doesn't work for this one. As hard as I try here, it doesn't work. It works with this one. So unfortunately, I cannot use the other one, right? So I just need to pass everything through here. There is also another one that I need to put it first. That's the one that passes just through here. And then I can use this one, okay? And to protect from water, you just grab this one as well. Super simple, you just need to open it up like this, put it here, and then you're good to go, okay? Just get this one, pass through here, and then you can push like this. You see that's going to protect so there's no water coming in the cable, right? Super simple. Then you just need to tighten it here, but before you just need to connect to the connector here, right? So see here that I have the connector. There we go. And then I just need to connect it here, but just remember also to put this part here. It also comes, right, this rubber band. It comes here in the package, so just put it here. And then you can connect, like so. And then put into place here, twist it, and you're good to go. Again here, let me just put this back in its place. And now I bring this one, and I can just twist it. And you see that's going to protect, so no water is going to come here through the cable, right? I'll just open this again because I just need to push a little bit more. Just a tiny bit more. There we go. Then I can twist here and get my cable well protected, right? So it's super simple. You just need to follow the instructions in the user guide and you're good to go. You see that I have the cable well protected here. No water is gonna get here, right? And then you just need to connect the cable here for the connector here for the power supply, right? So here's the power supply. You connect it here, you connect to an outlet. And there's also a protector here for this connector. It comes here also in the package. Just use this one and put it here that way. So you protect this connection as well. Put it here and you see the rubber is going to seal here so no water gets inside. Super good. Just make sure that I put it in the correct position until it fits that way, right? Super nice. And you're good to go. And there's also the possibility that you're not using the cable here, just using Wi-Fi. Then there's an extra accessory that you can put here, well, because you're not gonna have the cable, right? So if you don't have the cable here, let me just remove it here so I can show you how it works, basically. Removing the cable from here. Instead of having this here not protected, you're not connecting to anything, you can still use it in a different way. So basically here, you have no cable anymore. Then you can still use this one. You just grab this extra accessory here, put it here that way, right? Then I'm gonna build this block here. So it's going to protect so no water get inside. Then you use this one, okay? Again, you just put it here, this way. Just get some focus here. Better, there we go. Put it here, like so. And then here, okay? Come on, camera, get me some focus. I have another camera here, so you see it. There we go. Put it here that way, twist it, and you're good to go. Now you have it working this way. Okay? So it's dangling there, but no water is gonna get to the cable. And here just connect to the power supply, and the camera is going to work via Wi-Fi, okay? So that part's done. Now let's talk about the setup. To set up the camera, you just need to use the TP-Link Tapo app. Just come here to the App Store and type Tapo. Look for the TP-Link Tapo. Download, install, and create your account. I already have mine here. You just need to open, log into your account, and you're good to go. I have different cameras here, so I just need to add a new one. Just come here to the plus signal, add a new device. In here, I see the outdoor cameras. And look for Tapo C320WS, that's the one. Wireless, that's the option that I choose here. Next, and now I just need to check if the LED flashing green and red, or red and green, right? It is right now. If yours is not flashing like this, you just need to open the case here and press the reset button to reset the camera. But usually it comes like this out of the box, right? So just hit here, already red and green. Now the cell phone is going to connect directly to the camera, not to your Wi-Fi router. It's going to connect to the Wi-Fi router later, right? The camera needs the information, so your cell phone is going to give the camera such information, right? So right now, you just need to come here and look for the Wi-Fi signal from the camera. Just look here for Tapo Cam something. There we go. That's the one. Wait for it to connect. There we go. When it becomes blue, it's connected. So now cell phone and camera are connected, and the cell phone found the camera. And now you just need to find your Wi-Fi's. Here you see no available networks. I just need to rescan. And now my cell phone is going to connect to my Wi-Fi router. There we go. And now my Wi-Fi router and my password that's here, I just use a temp password for testing, right? Just use your Wi-Fi router and your password. Basically the cell phone it's going to tell the camera to use this one to connect to your router. Just hit next, confirm.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. Now the camera is connecting directly to your router. You just need to name the device, hit next, select the location, hit next, select an icon, next again. And it's complete. Sounds good. Dismiss here for the cloud storage. I'm not going to use it right now. And you just need to insert the SD card. You see here the information, class 10 microSD card. I'm going to leave the link here in the description for a good SD card for this camera. 8 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes, right? Just got it. And here the camera is going to update the firmware by itself. Got it, and I'm good to go. You see the camera is just right here, okay? Then you just need to adjust the camera the way you want, put in the correct position, and you're good to go. And you just come here, and you're gonna see the live image from the camera. You see that I have some audio working already, and it's good, right? Then you come here to the settings, storage and recording, and you can format the SD card, right? I don't have an SD card there yet, but I want to just insert an SD card here. I can format it from here. I have also here a smart hub, so I can connect the camera to record into the smart hub instead, right? So basically it's working right now. That's the way you can install your Tapo C320WS. Hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, your thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.